Hello boys and girls, welcome to my fucking photos channel. I've got another tutorial today. I'm going to show you how to colorise a photo, a black and white photo, using a new feature within Adobe Photoshop. Super simple, dead quick. Okay, so let's do it. So load your photo into Adobe Photoshop 2021 and click on Filter, and you've got Neural Filters. So to do this you'll need to use Adobe Photoshop 2021, not Adobe Photoshop CC 2019, which is what I've previously been using. That's because the feature you want to use isn't available in CC 2019, it's only in Adobe Photoshop 2021. If you have Adobe Creative Cloud, then you'll have both of these as part of your package hopefully. Anyway, so with the photo loaded into Adobe Photoshop, go to Filter, Neural Filters, you will want to download any of these options here. The one we're going to use is colourise, so if you click on download, it will start downloading it. Anyway, dead easy, click on colourise, and boom, there you go. Now I'm just going to knock this a bit more towards the blue end of the spectrum. Not too much there. There you go, look at that. Easy peasy. Does not look great. That's okay, there you go. It's that simple. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful or interesting, please leave a like, click subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.